Do you have these stupid sandburrs in your yard like I do? This is how you get rid of them. Last year I went around with a Roundup when I mowed, and I just spot spray every single one of them, and it kills them, but you know, the seeds still drop off and they still come back. This year I've had a new method I've been using, and it's working pretty good. This is how I'm killing my sandburrs. That's how I'm killing my sandburrs this year, and it seems to be working pretty good. When I have big areas, I will still spray the whole area with Roundup or another kind of grass killer, and then once it dies, I will just light it. That way it just kind of burns through. The dead grass will burn, and that works pretty effective too. But anyway, this is how I killing my sandburrs this year, try to get them out of my yard, and it is working so far. Anyway, by doing this method here, you're also burning the seeds. I kind of burn a bigger area than what the sandburr's in. That way the seeds are getting burnt, and they don't have to worry about them growing back either. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.